We'll guide you through how to join a Google Meet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you wish to remove your Gmail account from other devices. Perhaps you're concerned somebody else has access to your account and so you want to go and remove them. Or perhaps you went and signed in on another device and now you want to go and remove it for security reasons. We'll guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's this full guide so you know what to do step by step. So as you can see at the moment, I'm in the Gmail app, so you could do the same. You could also do this from the Google site because remember, Google and Gmail are the same account. What you can then do is go to the top right and go and press on your profile icon like so. If needed, you can go and switch account here, but I've already got the correct one selected. And then what we can do is go and press manage your Google account like so at the top. It'll then go and load like so, go and be patient. You need to go down and go and find the option for security and sign in. And you can go and tap there like so, and you'll then go and see some important information here. So you're going to go and see recent activity. What you need to do though is go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for, or section I should say, your devices. And these are the different devices which have access to your Google account and Gmail account. So what you should do is go and press manage all devices. It's now going to go and load. And now you can go and see the different sessions on iPhones, Android and Mac and Windows. So you keep scrolling down, we've got iPad as well and other unknown devices. And so what you can do is we can go and start removing them. To do that, go and choose a device you want to do this with. I could go and select, let me say, this one here. When you go and do that, wait for it to load. You need to go and sign in to verify that it's you. After you've done that, you're going to see the device and some more information. And what we can do is go and press sign out like so, confirm a decision, and it's then going to remove access to the Google account just like that. And so that's it. Now what we can do is we can go and repeat that for other devices as well. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now. I look forward to helping you again.